I love this event because it's really engaging our students. This is the first time they've been introduced to taxes, to think about like their future and how to be mindful of that.
Honestly made me feel a lot more comfortable. You know, you hear the word taxes and you just automatically sigh, but just made it seem like exciting and fun.
We actually got to do it ourselves, see what information was needed for what type of process, and we were able to figure out our mistakes on our own.
Our students at first were pretty apprehensive about going and what is it and taxes and are we going to have to be working a lot? But no, I think this is a very great learning experience for them.
If I was in y'all's shoes and I was able to, be a part of something like this, I feel like it really would have helped me.
I really liked how we got to learn from their experiences about what to do financially in the future.
It's the best time to gain this knowledge. Now you just come into the world a lot more prepared.
When they get to see it, feel it, it's amazing what it does for these kids.